So I've had this problem that's literally as old as time, and it is where you're milling and you're throwing these chunks of metal, and usually they're being thrown into something such as a cardboard box full of parts that soon is going to be completely full of metal shavings as well. And I came up with something here which I'm quite pleased with, and it's pretty simple. Pretty much just involves holding a magnet in the stream of chips and catching those chips as they're coming off. So I'll show you what I'm doing here. So there you go, about 90% of the chips from that pass got caught on that magnet, and now I can just take it and scrape it off and strap it, and ready for the next pass.